Hello, Cymara Hashiv and Jew agus FALTCHA gu Gaelic Calorie Joseph Ishmisha Joseph agus ha e leugh'er and Jew ha e leugh'er ha me leugh'er and Jew agus ish Betoffee. Hello, Betoffee. Give me a how and you. Give me a how, Betoffee. Give me a how. Ha cat akum. Ish Betoffee. And you, hami a YE-VUG. Hami a YE-VUG. Yore. Hami a YE-VUG, Yore. YE-VUG, Grammar na Gaelic, Michael Byrne. Grammar na Gaelic. Okay, so let's just go over a few things that I said there. Okay, so first of all, another new verb, Hami a YE-VUG, I am reading. Hami a YE-VUG. Yore is book. Now you don't need an article, at least not in this sentence you don't. Okay, so Hami a YE-VUG, Yore. I'm reading book, a book. If it's an e-book, it's going to be Yore-di. Hami a YE-VUG, Yore-di. Hami a YE-VUG, Yore-di. Everything else I think you know, except at the beginning I said hello agus FALTCHA, welcome, gu Gaelic Callari Joseph. Callari Joseph. So welcome to Gaelic along with Joseph, or Gaelic with Joseph. Gaelic Callari Joseph. Okay, so I'll put the text in YouTube as I always do. And you know the other bit, of course, about Betoffee. Ish Betoffee, that's his name. Ish Misha Joseph. Okay, so I hope that was quite clear. Okay, Hami a YE-VUG Yore, Hami a YE-VUG Yore-di for an ebook. Okay, that's it from me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Martian let.